Hello everyone. So today we are going to start a new series which is all about SSC PYQs and we are starting with the lesson of idiom. So इसमें दो तीन सालों पे पूछे गए questions हैं. So let's understand what is idiom. Idiom is a common phrase whose meaning is different from the literal meaning of words. In Hindi also we have muhavras. One of the famous muhavras is एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती, जिसका मतलब है कि एक इंसान कुछ नहीं कर सकता, दोनों पार्टीज चाहिए उसको करने के लिए. And English version of this is it takes two to tango. Let's discuss some of the idioms which were asked in SSC CGL in 2025 and 24. So the first question is, he is rich and famous and expects everyone to dash on him. So here we have four questions. Tap dance like mad, give a song and dance, dead duck, dance attendance. Let's see the answer. The answer is dance attendance. It means to do everything that someone asks to and treat them in a special way. As in Hindi we say किसी के इशारों पे नाचना. The answer will be, he is rich and famous and expects everyone to dance attendance on him. So he wants everybody to dance on his own ishara. So the next idiom is, select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. Treading on the thin ice. Options are playing with a sharp icicle, to be in a dangerous risky position, skating on ice fallen in a hailstorm, and making a thin ice sculpture. Now the meaning of icicle I'm showing on the screen. Let's discuss the answer. The answer is, treading on thin ice means being in a risky or dangerous situation where one wrong move could lead to a trouble or failure. As we say in Hindi, शेर के मुंह में हाथ डालना. After arriving late 3 times this week, Mark knew he was treading on thin ice with his boss. So he knew that situation is very risky, still he did that. Next, select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. To have bigger fish to fry. I think we understand this. So the options are, to have bigger thing to take care of than the menial task at hand, to take calculated risk, to know different kinds of fishing techniques, to have an interest in cooking. So let's see the answers. The answer is, to have bigger fish to fry means to have bigger things to take care of than the menial task at the end. So we have something big to do. And the example here is, I can't stay for this meeting about printer issues. I have bigger fish to fry when the client presentation tomorrow. Let's go for next. Select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. So here we have a idiom like a cakewalk. So most of the idioms which have cake, something like it's piece of cake, like a cakewalk, means something that is easy. So here options are also smooth surface, pleasant experience, easy task, and active. And the answer is like a cakewalk, which means easy task. So the math test was like a cakewalk for Ria. She finished it in just 20 minutes. So it was pretty easy for her. As we say in Hindi, मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है. The next one is, select the most appropriate meaning of the given idiom. All eyes. Watching eagerly, watching with no interest, or not watching at all. So I think you must have heard it was pretty famous before 6-7 months. People were posting all eyes on Gaza, all eyes on Pahalgam. So here the answer is, all eyes means watching eagerly. So everybody is watching and waiting what's happening, and they're praying too sometimes. When the celebrity walked into the room, all eyes were on her. So as in Hindi we say, सबकी निगाहें उसी पर है. Thanks for watching it. Now if you like the video, comment, and I'll come with the second video which will be about synonym, antonym, or maybe homonyms. Please comment and tell me what should be the next topic. Thank you.